Good morning, children. Today I am starting a new chapter, that is chapter 15, linear inequations. Here the word is inequations. Up till now you have been dealing with the word equation. Equation means if you are given this 2x is equal to 4, this is an equation. You can very easily solve this. X is equal to 4 upon 2 and you get 2. Now besides this, there are many more signs like less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. All these signs are called inequality signs. This is less than, this is greater than, this is less than or equal to. Why equal to? Because there is an equal sign below this sign. Then this is greater than or equal to. Why equal to? Because there is a equal to sign below this sign. Now in these sums you knew the plus sign. If a number is on this side and if you take this number to the other side, the sign changes. That is, plus and minus go together and multiplication and division go together. In this inequations also you can do this method, but here are certain rules which are to be followed, that if you add the same number to each side of an inequation, the value does not change, the sign of the inequality does not change. This is inequation. Then subtracting the same number from each side of an inequation does not change the sign of the inequality. These signs do not change in case of adding a number to both the sides or subtracting a number to both the sides. Then multiplying each side of the inequation by a positive number does not change the sign of inequality. Multiplying each side of an inequation by a negative number, in case of positive number there is no change in the sign, but in case of a negative number the sign changes. Sign changes means if the sum is 6x is greater than 4, and if you are multiplying by a negative number, like if I am multiplying this by -1, then this sign, this was greater than, this will change to less than. This sign changes only in two cases. The first is when you multiply both the sides by a negative number. There is one more case which is coming. Now dividing each side of the inequation by the positive number does not change the sign of inequality. Then again, dividing each side of the inequation by a negative number reverses the sign of the equality. Now again, if you divide this by -1, this same equation, I am talking about the same equation. Now if you divide by negative number, then this sign changes. This is greater than, this becomes less than. So you have got two rules to be remember. Multiplying the sign by a negative number changes the inequality sign. These signs are inequality signs. Changes the inequality sign, and dividing by a negative number changes the inequality sign. Got it? Now moving on to the exercise. This is exercise 15a. Here you are given a replacement set. Replacement set is that you are going to replace the value of x from these numbers according to the value of x, whatever you get. Your sum is x minus 5 is less than 0. Now I am doing a longer method, you can do it directly also. Now what I am going to do is I am going to collect x towards one side and the numbers towards one side. So for this, from here I am going to remove -5. Now if I am going to remove -5 from this side, I have to add 1 plus 5. So this is x minus 5 plus 5. Since I have added plus 5 this side, I have to add plus 5 towards the other side, so as to balance the equation. This sign, then 0 plus 5. Now this sign is not going to change, because according to the rule, adding plus sign to both the sides of the equation does not change the sign. These two cancel out and you get x is less than 5. When x is less than 5, what are the values from this that you can collect? X is less than 5. Less than 5 means all the values which are less than 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have taken the replacement set as 1, 2, 3, 4 because it is mentioned in the question. So, I am going to take out this question from in the book. This question says this is the set of natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. Now, second, your sum is x plus 1 is less than equal to, see this is less than equal to 7. You can directly do this sum like this also. X plus 1 is less than equal to 7, x is less than equal to 7 minus 1. Adding negative number towards on both the sides does not change the inequality sign. So, you will get x is less than equal to 6. Now, x is less than equal to 6. What values are you going to get from this set of natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Why 6? Because it says less than equal to 6. Now, your question is 3x minus 4 is greater than 6. You can do this sum like this also. 3x minus 4 is greater than 6. 3x is greater than 6 plus 4. Adding a number on both the sides does not change the inequality sign. 10, x is greater than 10 upon 3. Again, dividing by a positive number does not change the sign. So, this is you are going to get 3.33 something. Now, x is greater than 3.33, x is greater than 3. Again, from the replacement set, what are you going to get? Greater than 3, that means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot dot dot. Or you can do it this way. In this is a bit longer method, but you can do either of these. I have to remove minus 4 from this side, so I will add plus 4 this side, plus 4 this side. 3x minus 4 plus 4 greater than 6 plus 4. 4 and 4 cancel, you get 3x is greater than 10. Now, I have to remove 3 from this side. So, dividing by 3 both the sides, this I am dividing by a positive number. So, there is no need to change the sign will not change. What you will get? 10 upon 3, which gives you 3.33. Next, 4x plus 1 is greater than equal to 7. You can again do this by direct method. Here I have done the longer method. 4x plus 1, I have written minus 1 this side, minus 1 this side. 4x is greater than equal to 16, dividing by 4. Dividing and multiplying by positive number does not change this inequality sign. X is greater than equal to 4. What are the values for x is greater than equal to 4 from natural numbers? Since this is greater than equal to 4, equal to, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and dot dot dot. Next, question number 2, you are given a replacement set, that is you have to find out the value of x from these values of numbers that are given to you. Your sum is 2x minus 1 is greater than 9, adding plus 1 to both the sides. This gives you 2x is greater than 10. Okay. This gives you 2x upon 2. Now, dividing by 2, we have to remove 2 from here, is greater than 10 upon 2. X is greater than 5. Greater than 5. From the replacement set, what values are you going to take? Greater than 5. Your values would be 6 and 9. Next, 3x plus 7 is less than equal to 1. Subtracting 7, because I have to remove the 7 from here. So, minus 7. Minus 7 both the sides, you get 3x is less than equal to minus 6. Dividing by 3, because I have to make this x as the subject. Dividing by 3, x is less than equal to minus 2. Now, x is less than minus 2. What are the values of x is less than minus 2 from this replacement set? Minus 3 and minus 6. Question number 3. Question number 3 has solve 7 is greater than 3x minus 8. X belongs to natural numbers. This means x belongs to natural numbers. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. Now, 7 I am removing 8 from here. This is minus 8. If I add 1 8 here, I will have to add 1 8 here. 7 plus 8 is greater than 3x minus 8 plus 8. You can do this sum directly also. See, I am telling you this how. Like you do, you follow the rules in equations, simple equations. You get this, x is less than 5. So again back to your sum, 15 is less than 3x, 15 is greater than 3x, 15 upon 3x, 15 upon 3 is greater than 3x upon 3, 3 cancels out, this is 5 is greater than x. Then x is, how do you read this? X is less than 5. Replacement set will be from these numbers, replacement set will be x is less than 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, minus 17 is greater than 9y minus, minus 17 is less than 9y minus 8, adding plus 8 towards both the sides. Now again I am telling you, you can do it directly also, like this also. Okay, I have done the longer method. This is y is greater than minus 1. So from integers, what values are greater than minus 1? 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. This is the solution. In the next sum, your sum is 9x minus 7 is less than this. Again, you can do it directly also, 9x minus 7 minus 4x greater than this, 5x is this, and in the next step this. So, x is less than equal to 7, replacement set is, you have to take this from whole numbers. So, whole numbers will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Question number 6. Solve this, x belongs to whole numbers, x belongs to whole numbers. This is the set of whole numbers. Your sum is this, 2 upon 3x plus 8 minus 8, 12 minus 8, 2 upon 3x is less than 4, 2x upon 3 into 3, we will multiply by 3 so as to remove this 3, 4 into 3, this, finally this, and your numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the next sum, your sum is this. Now, in this sum there is a change of sign, here there is minus 5, I am removing this minus 5, so I will divide by minus 5. Now, since I am dividing by minus 5, this greater sign will become less than. Make yourself very clear, this greater than will become less than because I am dividing by a negative number, and I have written the rule here as well. Dividing by a negative number changes the inequality sign. This becomes x plus 4 is less than equal to minus 6, plus 4, minus 4, minus 4, x is less than minus 10. When you get x is less than minus 10, your replacement set is this. Next, question number 8. 8 minus 2x is this, and your replacement set is natural numbers. So, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. 8 minus 2x plus 2x, this you can do directly, I am telling you again and again. Do not create any nuisance and do not get disturbed. 8 is greater than 3x minus 5, 8 plus 5 is equal to 3x, 13 is greater than equal to 3x. This becomes 13 upon 3 is greater than equal to this, 4 whole number this, 4.33 is equal to greater than equal to x. So x is less than 4.333, less than. So what will be the values? 1, 2, 3, 4, because this is 4 point something and there is an equal to sign. Next sum. This is your sum, and you have to select the numbers from which set. X belongs to whole numbers. What are these whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. First I am going to remove this 18. So this side also, this side also. Your sum, when this 18 is removed, your sum becomes this. Now I am removing this minus 3. Now for this removal I have to divide by minus 3. When I will divide this by minus 3, this inequality sign will change. So remember, when you divide a number by a negative sign and when you multiply a number by negative sign, the inequality sign changes. Otherwise in all the other 4 cases it does not change. So this will be less than minus 2. Following up further, this becomes x is less than equal to 3 whole number 1 upon 2. This is 3.5. Replacement set will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Question number 10. Solve this. So this, see this, then moving further, this multiplying by 3 does not change the sign. This again does not change the sign. Again no change, no change, and you get x is equal to 2 whole number 2.5. Your replacement set will be 0, 1, 2, because you have to select numbers from whole numbers. Now question number 11, your sum is this. You could do it directly like this. X is less than 5. Less than 5 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. When I will get time, I will do these sums directly also for you. Here I follow the longer method. Plus sign, this also plus, this, then plus this. I have to remove this x. So plus x both the sides. 5x is like greater than 15. Moving further, x is greater than 3. Replacement set is 4, 5, 6 and 7. In the next sum, here I will remove 15 first. So minus 15 both the sides. This gives you 0. This other side also 0. I have to remove minus 2. So when I will divide by minus 2, I will get the sign changes. This sign will become greater than. So this will become 2x minus 1 is greater than 0. 2x minus 1 plus 1 is greater than 0 plus 1. I have to remove this minus 1 plus 1. 2x upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 2. X is greater than 1 upon 2, that is 0.5. So what will be the set? 0, it should be greater than 0.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot. Question number 14. This is your sum. So first I am removing 5 here. I will multiply 5. When you will do it direct, you can cross multiply these two sums. I will send you the solutions. Then this, both the sides by 5, you get 2x plus 3, 5 into this. This will become 2 into this. Now I have to remove 2 from here. So multiply by 2. This side, open the brackets, get this, you get this side. You have to remove plus 6. So minus 6 both the sides. 4x is greater than 20x minus 11. 4x is greater than 20x minus 11 minus 20x, and this side also it will be minus 20x. 16 minus 16x is greater than minus 11. I will be removing minus 16. So when you divide, this sign changes. This, finally this. I know it is quite tough. This exercise is quite tough by the method I have done, but I will send you the solutions with the easier method, that is direct method, but try this also. Be very careful with those two rules, that when you multiply by negative number and when you divide by negative number, the inequality sign changes. This is all for today. Thank you. Have a good day and wait for the solutions. I'll send you in the day itself.